situations, for yourself and people around you where you can't cope with it. So ऐसे situation में करना क्या है? So I normally come with solutions, right? So people say, I listen to music, I exercise, I go for a run, I go for a jog, I watch a movie, I read a book, and that really helps me a lot. Great, it helps me also. I mean, there's so many times when I've got pain in my neck, or I've got a pain in my toe, or I've got a headache or something, and I've started reading a book and stuff, and I started feeling good, or I'm kind of tuned into, like I said, music, or I'm drumming, or I'm exercising or something. I feel good, and I really, really feel good, and I'm like out of that environment or out of that state of mind and stuff. But I feel really nice and I feel really amazing. But when I come back and I'm back in certain environments, or I'm back in the real world without my medicines and stuff, the pain is back, right? So all that, what I'm feeling, that change or that great I'm feeling with the music, with the movies and everything, is all temporary for me for the moment. So I realize this, as long as I'm kind of engage in something productive, something worthwhile, something creative, I feel so good. And I know, because I'm in Buddhism, how to multiply that and come out of my negative emotions. I know how to do it. But the point is, do you? So if you're using music, if you're using Instagram, social media to kind of, drive away your negative emotions, it's a very bad way to deal with it. Okay. So how to kind of cope up with this? So first of all, start spending some me time. So I don't know, मैं कब से ये कह रही हूँ कि you have to do some me time thingy, which is meditation. Tune into some high vibrational music like bhajans or kirtans, or do some spiritual stuff. Do some meditation, do some breathing, do some yoga, spend some time in nature, spend some me time, let your emotions flow, let your thoughts flow, let it all flow, do nothing about it, so be watchful about it, because then you have all these realizations, and then second is write down. So I had shared a few days back that when I was just writing down, just writing down without thinking, I was feeling anger, I was feeling so many emotions. But then I have no control. No, I shared this. I have no control on how people are going to be, how the world is going to be, how the samne wala bus conductor is going to talk to me, how the auto wala is going to talk to me, how the maid servants are going to talk to me, how a person in my gym is going to talk to me. Are they going to be nice to me? Are they going to be bad to me? I have no control on people. Somebody will talk very nicely to me and stuff. Also, it's not going to be always negative, right? There's so many good people out there, so I have no control on that, right? I can't control that. So write down about it, and when you do that, you will realize that there's so much of wasteful thinking, or there's so much of great thinking that you have. And when you start writing down and something and all that, you have all these realizations. You come to the root cause. Okay. So in Buddhism also they teach you the root cause. ये हो रहा क्यों है? So when we are growing up and stuff, I will not use the word layered, but when we are growing up and stuff, all the conditioning happens. We become a product of our experiences, good and bad. So people will say there's a lot of baggage matlab unresolved emotions, हर चीज़ पे गुस्सा आना, you're not able to see the good, you're not able to move on, certain situations cannot be resolved and stuff. So part and parcel, let's not focus on the negative baggage and stuff. Okay. But the point is, there are healthy emotions like love, feeling good, feeling great, feeling respect, good emotions. You're able to move on. You flushed it and gone ahead. You've forgotten emotions. You may have had bad experiences, but you do nothing about those. You're like done with. Even if the memories come, I'm done with it. Yeah, I'm not going back. I'm not, feeling temperamental about it or angry about it. But when you're writing